assets, and I thought, I want to do something with real estate and I want to move forward, so this is a free seminar, may as well go have a look and see what it's all about.
Yep.
And
you said, do you want to come? And I said, how much is it? and when he told me, I said, well, you go, and I'll just leave halfway through if I don't feel comfortable. Anyway, I went, and it was really interesting, it was really good. And he signed up on that day, I think, didn't he?
Yeah.
And I said, are you crazy? Because we'd just come back from Queensland and got bitten by some other travel company, and we'd spent quite a lot of money. And I said, you're going to do it again. You're falling into a trap. You haven't even looked into it. You're just jumping on the bandwagon. And you said, basically, it was gut feeling.
It just felt good. And we also talked to some other students there, and they gave us some really positive feedback, which I wanted to hear. And I thought, well, if you don't take a chance in life, you just don't get anywhere. So I took the plunge, and I felt like it was a very good all-round program. It wasn't just facets of you just get taught this little bit here, and then you've got to go somewhere else and this. But this was like the full picture,
and it's borne out to be exactly that. It's been really a comprehensive education system for financial freedom, really, if you want to step on that path. But also, it's so much more than that. It's that plus the emotional, the personal growth that goes with it. It's huge, it's phenomenal. And Dymphna provides that opportunity for that to happen. So we started out, we didn't quite know where to start, what to do first. We were very overwhelmed. It's like, where do you start? Which property, what sort of strategy? In Australia, she says, anywhere in Australia, it doesn't have to be in your backyard. And actually Ian gave us a big hand with that. And he said, why don't you just go around and have a look at some of these places? Yeah. So we decided to hire a camper van, and we went around in Queensland, from the south to the north of the entire state in about a week. Actually, and visited a lot of the places. We could have bought a place in every single town that we went to.
Sort of, you see a deal because you get taught with Dymphna's program, you begin to become attuned to what to look for, and when you're going around, you're looking at these properties, you go,
side access.
What about that one? Quick, let's do the calculations.
Corner block. Oh my god! So you start looking, you start seeing stuff, and you want to, there are so many you could just buy just like that. So that's how we started, and when we got back from that trip, we were actually looking at particular towns and found something and put a foot on the contract, and we had something pretty much straight away after we had visited the place. Yeah. So that was a good thing. Yeah.
I can't recommend this program any more highly, but I think you've got to be committed. You've got to be focused,
and you've got to use the people who are around you.
Yeah.
And link and liaise and talk and get the information, ask for help, and you're not on your own. That's the whole point.
Yeah, don't be afraid to talk.